Okay, so today we're going to look at how we work out probabilities. And there's two ways we can do this. We can use experiments and find out the probability experimentally, or we can use theoretical probability, and this is what we've been doing so far. So in order to use experiments in order to find the probability, pretty much what we do is do an experiment and record the outcomes. Things we need to look for in an experiment. Well, the number of trials. Like statistics, we need to use a large number of trials. For example, if I was trying to determine the probability of a number coming up on a die and I only rolled the die 4 or 5 times, I'm going to have a very different result as if I'd rolled it 60 or 70 times. Your experience. This is quite important. Before you actually carry out the experiment, think about what you expect the likely probability to be. For example, if I was flipping a coin and it was a fair coin, I would expect the probability of getting a head to be about a half. After 100 flips of the coin, if I haven't got a half, then I can start looking at it maybe being biased. Now, if I was getting 51 out of 100 or 52 out of 100, I wouldn't be so concerned. But if I was getting 60 or 65 out of 100, it would suggest that maybe the coin is biased. Another way is to, rather than collect your own data, is to actually use previous results and patterns. For example, if we'd said that for the last 1,000 days in Whakatane that 400 of them it had rained, I could say then with reasonable confidence that 400 over 1,000 would be the probability of rain, or, as you know, we always cancel down our fractions, 2/5.